bring out their automatic trans. From Totem Towing, this is Vince Andrews. They left the big truck in the pits because they were a little bit at a disadvantage. Driving the big heavy truck with a big boom on it and a standard transmission. They went to the slush-o-matic and hoping they can pick up some speed here.
Now,
he's in the pits, he can hear you. Johnny T with a 48.03. That was a spectacular run. Here comes Vince Andrews. Got the truck all cleaned up today. Lost a couple of seconds there on the transfer. A little bit better gear ratio in reverse in this truck. And we'll see what we got. Good run, 57.66. 57.66.